just say?
Pretend I'm Larry O.
Why?
Because I'm working.
Who's Larry O?
Me.
What do you do, Larry O?
I work.
What do you do for work?
I make beats.
Ooh.
That was so good.
Yeah, crazy, bro. Should I keep going with it? What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna play a song.
Why are you talking like that? Alright.
I'm gonna make a beat, and I'm having a piano and doing it.
Now, let me plug it in.
Okay. Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This is your old computer?
Yeah, that is an old one.
Alright, let's make it.
Go ahead.
Alright, push it in.
These are drums, look. Close.
You start making that song. I do this.
You know what I'm gonna do? Make a beat, put some drums in.
Yeah. This song.
Oh, that one's kind of cool.
Oh yeah, do I do that?
Play with the pads. Play with these pads.
You doing the pads and I do the piano.
Wait, look. So as you can see in this video, the keyboard that we've been using is this FLKey 37 from Novation. This is tailored and mapped to FL Studio to work straight out of the box. There's just a few key features that you need to know and some shortcut key commands to get you going in the right direction, and you can create a full beat in this essentially if you wanted to. So again, I wanted to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of this video, Novation, with the FLKey. A few basic things that I love to use inside the FLKey is one, if we have our channel rack with a bunch of drums here, we can play them out just like this on the pads, all in order. You hold the shift key and you click channel rack, and that will toggle through everything within the channel rack. You can record, hit that record button, it arms the track to record, and then just hit play and it's gonna record. I recorded those drums in real time straight to the piano roll. You can quantize that real quick, super quick quantize. You can put the metronome on here. You can undo that recording, undo that full recording, redo the full recording. Another really cool feature about FLKey is the fact that you can control and you can change parameters inside of plugins like this parametric EQ2 with the FLKey. If you hold shift and go to plugin, we can now control the EQ with these bands inside. This one controls the 1 band. This one controls the 5 band. We can change the shape of that, move it from left to right. Really awesome features inside here. If you hold shift and go with the channel rack up and down button, it'll go through all these different plugins in your chain, and then you can then again hold shift and plug in and control the parameters within those plugins. You also have a scale mode where you can literally turn that on, select the scale that's in C minor, and the notes that you play on the keyboard will stay in C minor. You won't hit a wrong note out of the scale. Turn that off, just click the button again. Of course, just like any MIDI controller, you can go up and down in octaves. You got a pitch wheel, modulation wheel, a note repeat, and do like a snare fill. Channel rack buttons go up and down in your channel rack, selects different things within the channel rack. You can scroll through your mixer. Those are some of the many reasons why I think FLKey is the best MIDI controller for FL Studio. If you want to check out the FLKey for yourself, click the link down in the description below, and let's get back into the video. Hold on one sec.
Let me do that.
Well, yeah, use these pads because you can't go out of key with those pads. Use these. Hold on, you want to record that? Look at this. Ready? Hold on. Wait 1 sec. Don't hit that button yet. You record that. Ready? You're gonna hear 1, 2, 3, 4, and then use these pads, okay? And then go after it clicks. Use these pads. Not until you hear go. Ready? Hey, all right. Now listen to what you just did, and we'll make something out of it. Ready? Hold on. Ready? Look at this.
I'm gonna turn it on.
All right. Hold on 1 sec, okay? Listen to what you did. Hold on.
I'm gonna put it on, not you. Alright, try to do it
Hold
now.
on, do this. Key. Yep. Listen, you made this beat happen. You know that?
Yeah. I did. Yeah, I did. I started that one.
You did start this one. Look at this.
Oh, Daddy!
Listen to this sound. Listen. Good. Woo.
That was so good.
Yeah, crazy, bro. Should I keep going with it?
Yeah.
What do you want me to add?
I can add something.
All right, let me put a new sound in, and you add it. All right. All right, here I am a couple days later. This is what Cam played out. A little bit of a mess, but you know, he's 4. So let's finish this off. I'm gonna take some of these chops in here and use them. Probably like the call and answer type of thing. There's something in there. There's something in there.